Alright, ladies and gentlemen, I want us to look at PSSD N2 under this topic Gusset piece. So I want us to look at this one. So PSSD from this textbook, PSSD with this author J.M. Prison. So I want us to look at figure 5, this one. So don't mind about the solution. So I want us to look at this one. So here we are given a front view, and they said to draw this according to a reduction scale 1:2. So 1:2. So in PSSD you are always advisable before you start, you must take a closer look at what are you doing, so that you manage your space very well. So now I want us to draw this one. So I am going to start right here, a little bit middle of my, not too much up, not too much down, just in the middle. I'll draw this. This faint line. Yeah. I'll draw this horizontal faint line of mine. I hope you can see it. Then from there, let me put it like this. From here I can draw a diameter 74. This diameter 74, which means again from there till there 74. So I'm going to say 74 divided by 2. I'm getting 37. So this is this is still diameter. This diameter is 37. So I'll say 37 divided by 2 again, so that I get, remember the first two, it was according to the scale, isn't it? Then the second one is for me to get the radius. So I am getting 18.5. So I can open my drawing canvas. 18.5. 18 is between 18 and 19. So here it is. Then here I can draw this one. Then I can draw a cycle here. Right after I've drawn the cycle, so from here, let me extend this one just a little bit. And here, where is the sharpener? Right, so where I was placing my drawing canvas, I can draw a vertical center line. So now from here, from this cycle that I've just drew, I can record 20 millimeter. There's my 20 millimeter ending. So from there, let me put a faint line going up. Then I can take now this one, this point, take it faint horizontal towards my left hand side, and this one towards my left hand side as well. There it is. There you go. So I can have this one solid from here to right there, solid. Understand? So which one is this one? So which one is this one? Is this one. It is this one from here till there. It's this one from here till there, which is this one from here till here. So from here, coming this side, I can now record this dimension of 144 divided by 2. 144 divided by 2 millimeter, I'm getting 72 millimeter. You understand? So 70, 71, 72 is right here. There is my 72, so I can mark there. Where my 72 ends, I can put a faint line vertical. So now I can have this one, which is from here till the solid. Side. So from here till here solid. So this point is now this one. So from there going down, I see a dimension from here till there. It's a center, which is this one, isn't it? From here till here is that center, which is this one. Then from here, from the center to go down is 86. You understand? It's 86. Goes from here till there. It's a center, which is what we have from here till here. So from your center going down so much is 86 millimeter. But remember, it has to be converted. 86 divided by 2 mil, we are getting 43. So where is your 43 from the center? Where is your 43? This is 45. This is 44. There is my 43. So where my 43 ends, I can put a horizontal faint line like this. You understand? So after I've gotten that, so now I can have it dark from here till there, which it should be this one. From here till up there. You understand? So again, what I've done this side, I am going to do it under this one. Push it up just a little bit. You understand? So from here till there, I had a 20 millimeter. So even here I can have the same. There's my 20 millimeter. Understand? So where my 20 ends, I can put a faint horizontal center line, so that I can have the same cycle that I had. I must have it here that I had right here. So it's the same diameter, isn't it? Because we are joining two pipes of the same diameter. So from here till here is 74 millimeter diameter. Again from here till there is the same. So it should be the same even right from my sketch. From here to there, which means I can go just a little bit, so I can draw. There you go. You draw it faint. So there you go. You understand? So where was I placing my drawing compass? I can draw it faint. I can have a horizontal center line and a vertical center line. There you go. Remember, center line, they can be dark, short, long, short, long, short. It's like this. Then once we're here, so now I can take this one. This point is that one. I can take this one vertically up, so that is going to give me this one from here till here, isn't it? So that is going to give me this one. So I can take it faint. There you go. Then which means here dark, from here till right there dark. So from there, what do we have to get now? This angle angle 45. Angle 45. Okay, let's double check. Oh, this one from here till here, this 86 is actually ending there, which means again from here till here has to be the same 44. Okay, so which means we just erase there a little bit. So that one is simple. I can easily place my drawing compass here from here till there. See this thing of drawing at night. So here it's supposed to be. So I can have it. So just erase there. You know, you have to have an eraser. There you go. Have it dark. So which means this dimension from here till there is the same as from here till there. From here till here is the same as from here till there. Okay. And now see it. Where is your plastic eraser? So I can erase it from here till here. This one from here till there, it's okay, which means from here till here I must erase it, isn't it? This eraser, so from here I can have it dark going up, which is this one from here till there, you understand? So again from here to the center I can have it dark, which is from here till there, you understand? So now I can, like as I've said, this dimension from here till there is the same as from here till there. So I can simply place my drawing compass here and place it here. There you go, faint. So once I touch here I can stop right there. So I hope you can see my faint line. So from here till there I can now say is solid. Understand? After I've gotten that one, so we're having what, a line that is at an angle of 45. So let's prove that. Even if we are not proving it, we know what, once we have this corner from here till there, we can have it from there till there, you understand? But then we can see what, this line at an angle of 45 is actually parallel to this one, you understand? Is parallel to this one. So we can simply use the angle 45 in both of them. There you go. You see it tallies, it's just corresponding, you understand? So there you go, 45 from here till there is which one? This one is this one. So the second one is from here till there. You can have it as well. It's an angle of 45 from here till there. It's an angle of 45 anti-clockwise direction. So you can have it solid here and have it solid there. There you go. And here you go. So which is this one. So you can see again it's solid up there. So it means solid like this. Right, so which means we were just drawing the given view so far. We've just drawing the given view so far. So the very first thing we have to develop the full development of this gusset piece, that it is the one that is strengthening these two pipes that are joined at an angle of 90 degrees, you understand? So the very first step that we are going to do, get this center at an angle of 45 as well. Since this one is 45, which means if this angle, it was angle 60, we're going to use 30, isn't it? So but in this case they said 45, which means again we are going to use angle 45. So from where, and again this line, as far as I'm concerned, this one and this supposed to be solid, because we are going to develop, let's say this one is marked A, this one is marked B. Express the field development of A and B, and the development of A, it should be the same as development of C. You understand? Let me just put it like this. So the development of A and C, they will be the same. They will never ask you both of them. You understand? But this B and C, they will be always there. And according to what we have, we are, according to our space, we are going to consider C than A. So now from this point, have a center line that's gonna behave like this. So you see that this center line is actually perpendicular against this a line of yours. You understand? So after you have this line of yours, let me erase this one before I remember. This one, it was the center when we, again this one, it was before they disturb you. They don't need, I don't need them anymore, so I can erase. Remember, they were just constructional line. You can erase now them now. Right, then after that I have to divide my circle into 12 equal parts. You know, in PSSD Boilermaker drawing, every time you meet a cycle, you must know that cycle has to be divided into 12 equal parts. So we've got two methods of dividing your circle into 12 equal parts. You use a set square or your drawing canvas. This one will start with the set square. This angle 30 degrees anti-clockwise, and then I will twist it like this to the center again, angle 30 degrees in the clockwise direction. Now then I twist it like this, angle 60 degrees clockwise, and twist it like this, and angle 60 degrees anti-clockwise. You understand? So where is the drawing compass? Where are these things? What's right down there? So in this case, let's use the other method in this one. So I'll decide to start here. Place your drawing compass here, further extend it to the center. So I will strike an arc here, strike an arc here. You understand? Then I come to this one, place it here to the center, strike an arc here, strike an arc here. Come to this one, place it here to the center, strike an arc here, strike an arc there. The last one, place it here to the center, strike an arc here, strike an arc here. You understand? Then from there, you can take your 30mm ruler, have this point join with this one. All of them, they must pass point center, and this one with that one, all of them, they must pass the center. There you go. This one with this one, pass center. The last one, see this one, pass center. So I'll decide to name my zero here. I'll go anti-clockwise. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, back to 0. You understand? check this right from your top view now. I mean from the on this one. So if my 0 is here, there it goes from there goes, which means the 0 of this one must be this side. So in this case I will have to go clockwise. 1 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 back to 0. So after I've gotten that one, so I'll have to take these points of mine, these ones, they will go point 1 and 11 horizontally. There it goes. Once it touch here, it's supposed to go vertically down. So point 2 and 10 horizontally, same point. Point 3 and 9, which is our center. 4 and 8, there they go. Check these ones. Once they touch here, then these ones, once they touch this point of mine, not actually this one, once they touch here, they will go at an angle of 45. That's where the trick it is, this one. So let me repeat that. Point 8 and 4, there they go. Once they touch the this point of yours, they'll go at an angle of 45 like that. And the point 5 and 7, there they go. Once they touch here, so they become at an angle of 45 anti-clockwise. There they go. Understand? So once they get here, they will go vertically down, which means now they're coming to correspond with this. In this one, there it goes to correspond with that. 3 and 9, they're already there. 2 and 10, down they go. 1 and 11, there they go. Right. So now I'll have to take this point horizontally and to take this one vertically. Do you see that our dimension, they are correct? Our dimension, do you see, if I'm extending this point as well as this one, they meet at that center of ours. So assuming the center it was running somewhere or somewhere below, so consider yourself you out of order. You understand? So they must be exactly like this one. Understand? This and this one. So where they meet, I'm going to put angle 45 again, faint like this, angle 45 again. So now after I've gotten that, so I'll have to go back to this point and take it at an angle of 45 again, faint. There we go. Can extend them just a little bit. So again, this is 3, this is the line of 3 and 9, isn't it? So again, so you go to the line of 4 and 8, which is this point. So let me say this is 3 and the 9, this is 4 and the what, and 8, then this is 5. I hope you can, let me try to zoom it. The YouTube guys, I think, are you still with us? Because we are also live on our YouTube. So this is 5 and 7, then this is 0.6. You understand? So you take this is the point of 5, the point of 8 and 4. There you go, the point of 5 and 7, which is this one. Understand? There you go, and the point of 6, which is the last one. There you go. After you've took this point, what you did up there, you are going to do it here, down here. So I'm going to say 9 and the 3 and 8 and the what, and the 4, they're still the same point, and the 7 and the what, and the 5 and the 6 again. So what you did here, you are going to do it here, down here as well. So I can Let me further extend the center just a little bit. So 0.6, this one you take it at an angle of 45 again. 7 and 5, there you go. And 8 and 4, there you go. 3 and 9, there you go. Understand? So remember this point. So let me extend it just a little bit as well. Right, then after you've gotten this, so remember, how did you go to this line? You extended this vertically and this one horizontally, and this point, they must be perpendicular each other on top of the vertical, on top of the center line that is at an angle of 45. Remember, this center of yours is at an angle of 45, isn't it? Like this. So if you are taking this vertically and you take this one horizontally, they must be at an angle. So I've seen students, you'll find that they are not getting this point exactly. You understand? So which means there is a missing dimension somewhere, somehow. So now take your drawing compass. What you're gonna do, you come and place it at this point. So let me name this point what I can give, since I'm having an A, B, C. So let me name this point what point R. Point R. So place your drawing compass at point R, and there, remember, from here I must, from this line coming this side, everything's supposed to be recorded. So if this R is up there, there by our front view, which means in our development the R is right here. You understand? So place your drawing compass at your point R, further extend it to the point of 39, and we know what the point of 39 is the same as this one from here till here, isn't it? It's the same as this one from here till here. So now come and place it at R there by the development, and strike an arc on this one, and strike an arc on this one. Understand? So the moment this line of yours is the moment you are striking an arc on the line of 39, you are getting a point, and even here of 93, you are getting a point. You understand? So now take your 30mm ruler, you can join this one dark. So there you go. So they normally used to say, I like it to say without fear or favor. You understand? So again, from here till there, I'll have it dark without fear or favor as well. So this distance from here till there is the same as this one. From here till there is the same as this one. You understand? And then after that, I can what? Can have this one. Let me have a sip of water. Okay, so from there, what you can do? So we know OT, we are having a formula of L is equals to diameter over 12, isn't it? So you that formula, it will help you to get what, and to substitute, you know, the value of pi, and the d is what is the diameter or of the cycle, so all over 12. So whatever you get, it will be the same as if maybe you are just placing your drawing compass where at 0.0 to 0.1, which is this one. Then from there, YouTube guys, are you still there? And then from there, let me do it like this. Okay, from there, 0 to 1, isn't it? So you come and what and say this is 3, isn't it? 3, 4. Why am I saying 3? Remember, we've got your 3, which is this one, 3. So 3, 4. What I'm doing here at the center, you can still do it there, up there. You understand? Or you understand? So anyway, going down. So 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Why am I saying that? Why am I ending at 9? Because this, do you see that the 0, 1, 2, 11, 10, 11, 10, they are what? They are not going towards what to this supporter of these two pipes that we are doing. You understand? So, but we know Uguti, if we're looking for point 2, we are going to refer point 4, because we know that 2 is in line with 4. If we're looking for point 1, we are going to refer point 1 toward 2.5, because we know that 1 and 5, they are together, and 0 and 6, isn't it? And 7 and 11 and 8 with 10. You understand? So after you've gotten this point of yours, remember how did you got it? You place your drawing compass at point 0 to 1. Understand? Then you come and place it here and you mark 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So after you've gotten this point of yours, what are you gonna do now? With your T-square, put your T-square and the 45. So you take them faint, faint. There you go. 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 So I can say 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. You understand? So now what am I going to do? And I know OT point 6 must intersect with a point 6, 7 with the 7, 8 with the 8, 3 with the 3, 4 with the 4. How? So this is the line of 3, and this is, I'm saying this is 3, isn't it? So we've gotten this point. This is the line of 4, must intersect with the 4 of this side. So there they go, there they go. So where they're intersecting, it's giving me a point. And I must plot this point. You have to plot this point even in your final examination when you're developing. Remember, we get development using points, isn't it? So those points, they must be well plotted, they must be seen. Understand? So because if you don't mark them like this, they might be like, how did you go to this one? So 0.5, this is the line of 5, isn't it? Must intersect with this one. There it goes, there it goes, there it goes, which means I've got a point there. And 6 is the last one. There it goes. Gonna intersect with what? With this one. Then 7 in line with what? With 5. Right from your what? From your auxiliary view. There it goes. 7 in line with 5. So I'm going to use the what? The line of what? Of 5. There it goes. There it goes from there. So which means I've got a what? A point here. Then 8 in line with 4. There it goes. Once it touch, yeah, there it goes, isn't it? So there you go. Then 9 in line with 3, as you can see it right from your auxiliary. Once it touch there, it's this one. So now you can take your flexi curve or your special set square for your boiler maker, then have this one. If you don't have, you can use freehand like me. Can get it done like this one. So after you've gotten that, So now the back part of it will be the same as this one. So you can come back to your starting point to place the drawing compass here at 3, further extend it to point what? To point R, which is this one. Then now you come and place it here at point 9, and you go towards your center, you strike an arc like this one. Understand? Where this arc of yours is touching the what? The what you call the center line that is at an angle of 45. It's your point. So you take your 30mm ruler, you join it. There you go. So this is going to be your R. You understand? And remember that from R to what to 3 is the same as R to what to 0.9, which is that one. So which means we can still do the same thing from here till there. Then you come place it here, place it here till right there. You see it's coming. You see that is coming. Then from here you can have it dark like this, and have it dark without favor. We know it is going to be dark. So the same way you plotted this point, is the same way you are going to plot this one. And you know what is 6 is the bottom one. You understand? So there will be like this. There you go, there you go, there you go, there you go. So now you can have there you go. You understand? So that's how we get to the development of of this gusset pipe supporter. You understand? So that's how they got this. Because in drawing sometimes you can have the solution, but you don't know how did they got that solution. You understand? So that's how they go about it. And a gusset pipe, it will be there in your final examination. So expect it. So now after we've do we have to show the I think I'm tired already. Do you think we can draw the development of point C, of pipe C? Let me tiptoe, guys. Are you still there? So that's how we show. So you can come and mark it and be like, this is point B, like this now. So what do you think? Sim is saying yes. Are you sure? I'm tired already, guys. Okay, so now to express the full development of development of pipe C. Remember, like as we said, YouTube guys, they are also saying yes. Okay. Remember, like as I've said, that the development of this piece pipe marked A, it will be the same as this one. So they will never ask you them both. You understand? So, and due to my space here, and let me emphasize on this point. Do you see that the development of a first derivative of B here, it's supposed to be expressed like at this angle, supposed to be expressed at this space, or you can still express it way up there, as long as it is at an angle of 45 along your given view. You understand? You can supposed to be expressed down here or up there, all together. So again, the development of the piece mark C or A is supposed to be expressed here or down here. You understand? So again, of pipe A supposed to be expressed here or here. You understand? So you just construct lines like this or like this. For C, construct line up like this or like this. And again, when you're given the question, you don't is supposed to draw this according to your own way. Like for instance, let me have this one. For instance, yeah, if you can look at this one, this is the previous question paper that was written 15 August 2023. You understand? So the point that I want to emphasize is what? Is this one. And you can see that you are given what? A projection symbol there. So you cannot draw this one like anyhow, especially with this shape. So don't draw it like, in class we used to draw it standing like this. We follow what? The projection symbol. So it's supposed to be like this. I think tomorrow we'll be doing this one. So now let's express the development. So on this, in this case, I want us to express it this side. So I am going to just extend this line up, faint, there you go. So this is the point 1 and 11, my drawing canvas. After I've gotten the drawing canvas, the development of your the length of your development after you've used this formula, so that value you get, or else you can place it here from 0 to 1 and come and place it here and say 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, back to 0. You understand? So there must be 12. So I'm going to say this is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, back to 0. You understand? So now after I've gotten that, where YouTube guys, can you see my 0 point? Okay, yes, you can see it. TikTok guys, can you see? Yes, you can see. Then there is my 0 point. Now I'll project them. Faint. There you go. 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 We take them. Faint. 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 If then you'll be given an X, the cutting plane right from your top view. So you'll find that they're saying X is the joint. And again, in this case, again, you'll be also be told which way is the cutting plane. So if my XX is like this, so I know what from point 0 to point 0, from here till 0, I'm having what? A solid straight line from here till there. And again from here till there, I must have another solid line, which is 0 and a 0. And you can tune there by my YouTube channel. TikTok guys, you can tune there by my YouTube channel and see where I'm teaching this one into details, where these strong points to rely on when you are developing. You understand? Again, at the end, I can have this one without fear or favor, and what is supposed to be dark from here till the again the X and the X. These points, you must have them, you must rely to them. It's without fear or favor, what is dark there. You can just then begin to lose marks here. But this one, from here till here, you're supposed to know what is supposed to be dark. As much as you can see from here till there is dark. So K, I won't explain that much because I'm tired. So now let's come back to have what? This one. We know ukuthi from here till there, we know what it's supposed to be dark. It will be like this again, from 0 to 0.3, and again from 0 to 0.9 it's going to be dark like this, right? Then from there we are going to say because from here till there, which is this one, from here till there. Now once you get here, push it up for TikTok, guys. Once you get here, you see an up vertical line going up till at point R, which means again right from the center, from here till right there is going to be solid. You understand? Even what you did here, you'll be doing it even at the back there. There you go. You understand? So now it's going to be diagonal corners, which there you go. I'm trying to finish up. It's late already. There you go. Understand? And there you go, diagonal corner, diagonal corner, diagonal corner. So now you can have your flex curve. There you go. 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 So then you can mark. So that's how you get the development of the pipe C. So this development of pipe C, it would be the same as E. You understand? So it's supposed to be something of this nature. Supposed to be something of this nature. So we started by drawing the given view. After we draw the given view, then we develop the gusset pipe, the supporter of these two pipes that are joined at an angle of 45 degrees like this. I mean 90 degrees, not 45. So once they are being joined like this, there must be a supporter here, isn't it? There must be a supporter that's going to support them here, which is this one. Then from there we express the full development of the joint pipe. So thank you very much, guys, for watching. That was Mr. Gusset. See you on the next video. Please don't forget to subscribe and comment on the video you are watching and give it a like, guys. So for TikTok, guys, this is our YouTube channel. TikTok, guys, this is our YouTube channel. You search Itotas Digital School. So we assist students free of charge from grade 10, 11, 12, engineering, graphics and design, and we do engineering drawing N1, N2, N3. We do N4 mechanical drafting. We do boilermaker drawing, PSSD N1, N2, N3. You understand? So that was it for vandaag. I think for tomorrow we are going to look at this one. Where is it? Okay, so but tomorrow we'll try to go live even during the day, actually. Let me say it like that. So thank you very much, guys, for watching. Let's start sleep.